Right there is that place I worked about a month ago. You know, that Taste Unlimited store? That big sandwich place? We're on our way to pick up some knives from a restaurant in Virginia Beach. Me and my buddy Jack. I don't know how many or what kind of shape they're in. You know, I did some 2 weeks ago for that fruitive company in Norfolk. Their plant. I did some sample knives for them. Well, this is their main store at Hilltop. I'll get back to you in a few minutes when I know more. Okay. We're back. We've got a whole gathering of knives. Look at that. We got 3, looks like 7, maybe 8. I can't see what's in there. Serrated ones, big old fat ones, little ones. The glory. Stand by. We're headed home. Well, here's what we got. We got 3 Dexters I can see. The big ones are Dexters. I'm presuming these are Dexters, but I can't prove it. That one's an update. I've done a lot of those. This is Mundal. Man, I like it. So is this one. Nice serrated knives. Mundals. Update. German steel. Pretty good. Okay. Stand by. We got to go to work. We're going to have them back in an hour. Yeah, we're finished. We're heading home. Heading back to the restaurant. Dexter's. Mundals. Want to update. Stand by.